Service in Lubbock, Texas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Dickens County in northwestern Texas, central Crosby County in northwestern Texas, until 10:30 p.m. At 9:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles north of White River Lake, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Crosby, Spur, Dickens, White River Lake, Rawls, Cone, and McAdoo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.